Alright guys, so I got some cauliflower gnocchi here that we're going to do a review of. This is Vita Santa. They were on sale, gluten-free. Here's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And we're going to cook it up and do a quick taste test, so stay tuned. Okay, so here's the gnocchi all done. So we'll do a quick taste test right now. So it's cauliflower gnocchi, so let's see if it tastes different. So it has a similar texture to the regular one, but I would say it's more not as chewy. It's not as chewy as the regular one. So, and it doesn't bounce in your mouth as much, but it's pretty good. So, alright guys, see more videos and rest subscribe to the channel.